In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the process of obtaining a real estate license in the state of Virginia. Whether you're just starting out in your career or you're looking to make a change, becoming a real estate agent can be a rewarding and fulfilling profession. So let's get started. The licensing process is fairly simple, just follow these 5 steps. 1. Complete 60 hours of pre-licensing education. 2. Complete the course final exam. 3. Pass the Virginia Real Estate Exam. 4. Complete a fingerprint background check. 5. Submit your license application. And that's it. In order to get a real estate license in the state, you must complete 60 hours of pre-license real estate education. Perry Real Estate College offers the course 100% online, available 24/7, completed at your leisure. Each new licensee is required to pass a state licensing exam, administered by PSI. The exam is broken down into 2 sections, a national portion and state portion. The national portion must be passed with a 70% and the state portion must be passed with a 75%. Once the test is passed, you will be given a couple forms. Those forms must be filled out with your new broker and sent into the real estate board with your license application. The Virginia Real Estate Board requires each new licensee to obtain a background check before being eligible to obtain a license. The applicant will need to get their fingerprints taken with field print and sent them off to the FBI for processing. The Real Estate Board will evaluate each person's criminal history on a case-by-case basis. If you are unsure if you will be eligible, please confirm with the Real Estate Board. Once you've passed the licensing exam, it's time to apply for your real estate license. You'll need to fill out an application, submit any required documentation, and pay any fees. You can find the application and more information on the Virginia Real Estate Board website. So, that's a quick overview of how to get a real estate license in Virginia. It's a process that requires some dedication and hard work, but the rewards can be well worth it. If you have any further questions or need additional information, feel free to reach out.